Hello everyone, it's your girl Unique Nilo. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you this turban design, how to achieve this design on this zaracap, and finally this particular design. Yes, I later beaded this turban cap, guys. Without wasting much time, let's move straight to the tutorial. So guys, I used raw silk fabric here, 1 yard of raw silk, and this particular piece I'm holding will be for the V-face. The length measures 15 inches by 13 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces. Guys, I won't be taking time here, okay? I'll just be showing you how to form your V-face. I won't be showing the format. All right, by this side that is not stretchy, I will just fold, as in I'll hem it. This is for the benefit of those that will attach handle later, okay? It mustn't attach handle, but after folding 2 times and sew down, just one side, please don't go and sew both sides. You sew it down, all right? Then this stretchy part being our length part, yes, that length part, you know, is our hair circumference. I'll first of all fold it in this way and form my first plate. I have many videos on my channel that showcase how to form your V-face. That's a detailed video. You can check out my channel if you don't know how to form your V-face. After hemming the mouth of this fabric, you form your first plate, then you form the second one, and finally form the 4th plate. With this fabric, I'll be getting 4 plates. Please, whatever I'll be doing here, I'll be doing it on the other fabric. Alright, this is the back of that turban, and the length measures 26 inches by 12 inches width. So guys, I'm done sewing the V-face and joining it. This is how it looks. So next thing you'll be doing after cutting out the excess part and locating the center of the fabric, you are going to attach that back. That's the base of the turban, yes. Then you're going to sew it down. And once you're done doing that, you know, the normal usual process, form your curve at the back. You sew, sorry, don't sew down, just place that aside. All right, next thing I'll be doing now is for the design that will be on top of this fabric, and the length measures 32 inches by 6.5 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces, so I'm going to fold it this way and sew down. Remember, I cut out 2 pieces of it. So after sewing down, I'll be turning it out. Yes, and this is the outcome after turning it. What I'm holding now is foam. Yes, please, there are many inches of foam, but this particular one I'm holding is ½ inch foam. Half, all right? So remember, this is foam, and this foam measures 32 inches length by 2.5 inches width. You'll be cutting out 2 pieces because you'll be inserting it into the fabric. So after inserting it, this is the outcome of it. All right, so I'll be sewing just one side, and with the help of someone else, or you're going to place it on your sewing machine and just hold it down. I don't know, but I called someone to help me to hold down one side, and I formed this plate. If you watch, you'll see that I didn't tighten this twist. It's not like a normal twist that you're going to fold well and start forming. I just released my hand here. All right, so I placed this at the 4th plate, on top of that 4th plate. Yes, that's what I did there. It didn't come towards the front. Please watch where I'll be placing this. All right, so if you watch closely, you will see it's at that last plate. That's why I stopped. Then I had to use my pin to hold it down. All right, so next thing is to take it to your sewing machine and sew this part down. If you want, you sew down, or just fold this way. Just fold this way and sew it with your sewing machine as usual. All right, so after doing the sewing, you'll be forming your gathers. You understand, the normal running stitch, and this is the outcome of our turban. Guys, please, you can leave your turban like this. For those that love simple turban, this is a design on its own. You can use stones, embellishments, stones, pearls, to enhance the beauty if you want, or just leave it this way. This is a turban design you can sell, yes. But I later moved on to the next level. This is the outcome. I later moved on to the next level to make this red design for a client. If you look closely, you observe that this twist is not as high as that other blue one. I had to add more pressure while twisting this. Like, I had to bring it down and like twist, but I didn't leave it so loose. Okay, that's how to get this particular twist, but it's same measurement with the blue one. All right, this twist, this particular one now, the length, the fabric measures 58 inches by 2.5 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces. Please pay attention. After cutting out 2 pieces, I had to sew. Turn it out as usual, normal. After sewing your material, sew it down. Then I turned it out and I used this fiber. You can use your foam. Yes, you can use your foam, but I decided to use my fiber, and this is the normal pieces fiber. That's what I inserted there to make it fluffy. Yes, then I had to sew one side, make a request to someone, just pleaded that someone helps me hold one edge, and I twisted. Normal way of twisting. So I'm explaining this. It's not for you to start asking me, how did she even get this twist? It's very easy. Just cut out your fabric, which is the full length of your fabric. If your own is 60 inches, use it like that. But mine is 58 inches. So I had to use it that way. Then the width is 2.5. Then you sew it down, turn it out, and insert your fiber. You are good to go. Then after that, sew the edge of it, that is the 2 heads together, twist, and you are good to go. So what I'm doing now is to start forming that round curve, that round, I don't know what to call it. Remember I told you that it's a design, that the other zaracap, I showed you that. I'll be showing you how to get that round design there. So this is how I did it. So guys, continue to watch and you see how the twisting method goes round. Some people use candle gum here. They rub candle gum and it holds firm. But I prefer stitching. Yes, I prefer tacking it down. It gives it a firm hold to avoid story that touches the heart. Guys, yes, please, if this is your new time coming over to my channel, do me good by subscribing to this channel and also watch my other videos. It can be helpful to you. Yes. Then if you are a returning subscriber, you know I love you guys. You are the MVP. Yes. And for those that find my videos helpful, I plead with you, kindly like my videos. Just liking that videos give me motivation and it gingers me to push more videos on this YouTube, sincerely speaking. So just like that video. If you have a comment, any question, remember I have my number on this screen. You can chat me up. Also, I have a WhatsApp group where you can join for more tutorials, guys. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Yes, I'm over there at Unique Creativity. Unique Creativity, my normal business name. So guys, you continue to tack down this way. You can see the way it's going. Continue to roll down. You roll, you tack. Please make sure your stitch goes behind. If it comes to the front, make it to be invisible, please. Then after doing all these things, next thing I'll be doing now is to fold the remaining part of that twist. You can see where I placed it. Yes, place it to be at the back this way, and use your needle and thread to do the final tacking at the back. All right. So you can see the way it looks. This is the outcome. And after making yours, you can attach it on any headgear. I had to attach it on my zaracap. Yes, this zaracap, if you watch closely, you'll see that the twist is bold. So what I did there was I changed only the width. So my own width there is 3 inches instead of 2.5 inches. 3 inches instead of 2.5 inches. I don't know if I've made myself clear. So back to the red turban, you can see the way it looks. So I've not attached that twist. Another thing you can do here is you can place this in front. I don't know if you get me. This is a design. This one I'm showing you now is another design. If it's too big for you, you can reduce the length. Remember I told you the length of this one is 58. You can reduce it to 40 or even 40 or 35 and you roll it around, attach on your turban, and you see it, another turban design comes up. But at this junction, I had to attach my own to the back. You can see how it looks. So after doing this, I also went on to bead it later after attaching it. Yes, after sewing down with my needle and thread, I still beaded it, and this is the outcome. Guys, you don't need to dull on this design. Like, move from that normal style. Move from that normal style we'll be making to this new style. And to learn this beaded pattern is on my channel. I'll be linking it on my description box. And motivate your girl like Ginger me, okay? Guys, it's good to have you to this time. I love you all. See you next time in my next video. Bye.